So when you're dealing with time complexity and space complexity, there are three Greek letters that you will see, and they are omega, theta, and omicron. Omicron is better known as O, as in big O. So let's take a quick look at what each of these are used for. Let's say you have a list with 7 items in it, and you're going to build a for loop to iterate through this list to find a specific number. So let's say you're looking for the number 1. This is your best case scenario. You're going to find this in one operation. But if you're looking for the number 7, that is your worst case scenario. You have to iterate through the entire list to be able to get to it. If you're looking for the number 4, that's your average case. So when someone talks about the best case scenario for running a piece of code, that is omega. The average case is theta, and worst case is omicron or O. A lot of times you'll hear people say, okay, that's your worst case, big O, but what's your best case or your average case, big O? Well, there is no best case or average case, big O, technically. That is either going to be omega or theta. But technically, when you talk about big O, you are always talking about worst case.